Would you look at this shot? Oof, damn, it's beautiful, right? Hello beautiful people, how the fuck are you? I'm here in Beirut for a week and I wanted to show you a little bit of the city. Oh, ma bellissimo! Peeps, you know the drill, one camera, one lens, one city, and we're good to go. City is total chaos. I love it. In the morning, not in the night. Right now my brain is doing beep 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 because everything is new, everything is weird, everything is like I want to take pictures of everything. We are in this 16th floor hotel and we are going to the 16th floor and I'm going to show you the best view of the city. Oh, holy fuck! Look at this. Damn! Fucker. This car has become a generator because there's no state electricity, let's put it this way, and people have to use generators, petrol generators, or buy electricity from, you know, private companies, which is not cheap at all. Didn't know before coming here, half of the population is actually Christian. There's Christmas here, look at this. They're setting up the Christmas tree. My camera died. People are aware of me trying to take pictures, which is weird. Because usually they are not that aware, but in this case, I don't know. But anyway, I think I'm gonna head back now. I'm gonna take a look at the pictures that I have taken so far, but let's just say that this was a rehearsal. The reason you don't see anything is because there is no light. But why is there no light? Because this country is in a huge fucking crisis and there's no electricity. Like state-provided electricity is basically non-existent. All the people that are out at night, they travel with their flashlights like this. I didn't know that before coming to Lebanon, honestly. No, it wouldn't have changed anything. This is so nice. Thank you. Now, if you come to Beirut, you have to come to this place. It's called By the Slice, and I guess it's the best halloumi and bacon pizza you can find in town. It's raining pretty hard. Don't go out, don't go out. I mean, now it is time to dig in. Perfection. I'm feeling this is amazing. Approved, 100%. By the slice.
This is the best pizza that you ever tried?
No, but it's in the top. Say it, I'm a pussy. Say it. What would you say to people that want to come to Lebanon, but I don't know, they're still not convinced?
They are missing a lot.
They're missing a lot. Perfect. Thank you very much. Now I moved to another area of the city in the Armenian district, and we're trying to get some shots here. It's a lot different than the usual. Like I don't know, I think it's more lively than the other areas we've been so far. It's gonna be a street night photography in POV mode with the GoPro, not with the Insta360 this time. Now in this Armenian district, there's like a lot of jewelry shops. Wow, I've never seen so much gold in my life. Have you ever seen that much gold in your life, like on the same street?
This is real gold.
Yeah, it's real. Look at this thing. Oh, anche quello. Che figata è.
You married?
No, no.
The girls are very beautiful. The girls are very beautiful.
È la prima volta che vengo.
Prima volta.
Prima volta.
Quanto giorni tu?
10.
10 giorni tu? You are 10 days.
Domani vado via però.
Why you want for me a record? For me no problem. But you say that Lebanon is beautiful.
Because I want people to see that when you come here, you talk with other human beings, that it's normal.
Yes.
You know?
Okay, my friend. I will tell you that Lebanon is very beautiful country, and it's a good country, and there is a secure country. Okay, there was too much problem, but it's a good country and it's normal country. We are living our life very normal, but we have very bad situation, especially economic now. We have very bad situation, but it's a normal country.
Dai, se si leva questo dal cazzo, magari. How do you like it?
A lot.
Di più. Perfetto. Altro che Steve McCarey. I'm in like photography mood right now. Everywhere I look I see a photo. Just like this. Guarda sta macchina. Non avevo proprio notato, sai?
Bella, vero?
No, perché mi ero fissato su di lui che è chiuso nel suo macchinino qua. Perché io di solito mi fisso sulle persone. Cioè le cose non le noto.
Questo è un bel locale, eh?
Sì.
Epico.
Here you cross the street wherever you want, whenever you want, and nothing's gonna happen. More or less. I mean, other than the crazy traffic, there's nothing that different from your city maybe. The shops are open, people are nice, decent. There's pubs, there's bars, there's places to go eat. There's a shit ton of shoes. It's more or less the same. I mean, you have the ethnical market and stuff, ethnical food and all of that, but other than that, I think it's a pretty normal place. So there's no need to worry about if you want to come to Lebanon.